Hi there everybody, welcome back to Able Auctions. This time we're going to talk boats, inflatable boats. Bakerview inflatable boats. Beautiful boats. There's a nice center console. These boats are brand new and will all be sold to the highest bidder. Saturday, June 9th at Able Auctions, Langley. Look at that beauty. Imagine yourself soaring across Georgia straight in that, up Indian Arm. And we got more boats. Put a little outboard on that. Take out your crab traps, prawn traps, be a money maker. Lots of boats, from small to large, all brand new, all sold to the highest bidder. Saturday, June 9th at Able Auctions, Langley. Maybe you just want a dinghy for your big boat. There you go. Something that you can take ashore. Anchor and take ashore a little dinghy. There it is, right there. Lots of options for you. Again, Saturday, June 9th, Able Auctions, Langley. AbleAuctions.ca. You can bid right now.